Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum for class. Hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Welcome to your maths lesson. Firstly, we will discuss word of the day and message of the week. Today the date is 3rd of December 2020 and the day is Thursday. Word of the day is awful, means bad, dreadful or terrible. Okay. I again repeat, word of the day is awful, means bad, dreadful or terrible. You will repeat this word again and learn the word and try to use this word into your spoken. I have made 2 sentences, you will make your own sentences. Do you like awful stories? It was an awful combination. You must feel awful about your action if you did any wrong action. Okay, so in this way you can use this word into your sentences. Now come to the message of the week is do good, have good. Always try to do good with others. Okay students, come to the point. Today we will do, open your book page number 70, exercise 6 of unit 5. Okay, yesterday we have read these 2 questions and in this lecture we will do our next 2 parts. So read the firstly we will read the statement of question C. Nadia is told to find out the length of 2 different pieces of rope. The length of the total length. Okay, Nadia have to find out the length of 2 different pieces. Total length of 2 ropes is 10 meter and 54 centimeter. 10 meter and 54 centimeter is the total length of 2 ropes. She measures the length of shorter rope, the rope that is shorter in length. She measures that length and she finds that which turns out to be 3 meter 79 centimeter. Means we know that Nadia know that length of one rope is this and total length is this. And what is the length of other piece of rope? The required information is the length of another rope. So let's start our question. Open your notebook, write the index unit 5 exercise 6 and also the topic is this, underline the topic and put quotations. As we have read our statement, the total length of ropes are 10 meter 54 centimeter and length of short rope is 3 meter and 79 centimeter. When we know these 2 values, then we can find out our required information is length of other rope. How can we do it? By subtracting length of one rope from the total. Okay, so how can we do its addition? As you see, 54, 4 is small than 9, it's also smaller than 7. So how can we do its subtraction? By taking 1 meter from meter side. As you know that class 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So we will take 100 centimeter from here, from this to come on this side. Now our value is 154, not 54 centimeter. Just now its value is 154. Then we will do our subtraction. Take 1 carry from this side and the number become 14. When we subtract 9 from 14, we get 5. Okay. As we have borrowed 1 number from here, there is only 4. So when we subtract 7 from 14, we get 7. So 75 centimeter. As you know, we have borrowed 1 meter from meters to centimeters. So there are just 9 meters, not 10. So subtract 3 from 9, we get 6 meter. So in this way, students, our required information is length of other rope is 6 meter 75 centimeter. I again repeat this. If we borrow a number from meter to centimeter, so it's not just 1. We take 100 centimeters. We convert 1 meter to centimeter and take it here. Is it clear now? Now we will watch the second question. Student, this question number D, you can solve it on your book with lead pencil and you can also write it on your notebook neatly. What unit of measurement would you use to measure the length of following? Tissue paper box, how can you use it? So think about it, how can we use, which unit of measurement we will use to measure the tissue paper box. For example, I have a box. Can I measure it in meters or in centimeter? As you see, I can measure it in centimeters. So in this way, we know that we can measure the box of tissue paper in centimeters. Is it clear? And number 2 is the edge of your desk. As look at my this table. Can we measure it in centimeters? No, we need a lot of centimeters to measure it. So we can measure in meters. Okay, and black or whiteboard in the class. Student, as you see, can we measure this very big whiteboard with a small scale? So we use meter unit of length to measure the length of whiteboard, and the distance from your school to your home. Okay, if you are living very near or we cannot measure them in a small small unit of length. We have to use a big one, that is kilometer. Okay, and width of your nails. If we want to check the width of our nails, how can we measure it? As you can see that if we want to check it, it is minimum than 1 centimeter. So we can find its width in millimeters. Okay class, you will use millimeter, the unit of length, to find the width of your fingernail. So in this way, by solid reasons, you will write these unit of length. Okay, so this is your today's task. Take care.